Hey all, in this code sample I'm going to explain the difference between by value and by reference in C#. So we have here a num that is int and initialized to 0. We have here two functions, one is by value and one is by reference. So what is by value? By value means that we are taking a copy of the parameter ending in this case 10, and the parameter is changing only in the scope of this function. Only in this function this parameter is changed. In the main function it doesn't do nothing, it stays 0. And by reference means that we are passing actually the parameter, and you see we are calling it ref. This is very important syntax. Unless we will write ref, it will not be passed by reference. And also in the function we need to write ref. And what ref means is that we are actually sending the parameter, and when we will change it in the scope of this function, it will change also in the main. So this is the big difference between by value and by reference. So let's run this program and see what we get. We get here a little error because forgot to put here 0 here. So now it's fine. You see, num by value is 0. This is what we're printing here, because you see here we send num went here, incremented by 10, but when we console write line here from the main, it didn't change, so it remains 0. But after we passed it by reference, and after that console write line, we see that because we send num by reference to this function, num changed from this function also in the main function, and we see here 0. This is the main idea of by value and by reference.